this side Karthik. Welcome to my channel Tech Solution. Today in this video session we will discuss how to create a logical partition in a particular VM disk in Solaris 10 and how to use it. Well, so let's go ahead to do the same. First, I want to check how many VM disks are available in this particular server. The command is echo 5 format. If you execute this command, you will get to know how many VM disks are available in this particular server. So now I do have only 2 VM disks, 0 where my OS has been installed, and second one is 1 is nothing but in which disk is added by me just few minutes back, and in which disk I am going to show you how to make logical partition and how to use it. Okay, so let's go ahead to do the same. If we need to execute now format command, if you execute format command, then it will ask you in which particular VM disk you want to make logical partition. So as I mentioned, 0 is my first disk in which disk my OS has been installed. So now I don't want to do any partition in 0 because I don't want to make my booting process slow, or I don't want to make too much pressure to my OS. Okay, so I want to manage my users, I want to manage my users data, I want to manage my root users data on over the different VM disk. So I do have a disk that is the 1 disk. So I want to enter in that, and whatever performance I want, whatever management I want to do, I will manage in that particular VM disk. So I want to enter in 1. So give 1 and hit enter key. Now it's asking this many options. So if you go for the, if you read this many options, it's not rocket science to understand. You can understand easily. So now I am going to make partition is nothing but P. So give P, hit enter. Again give P, hit enter. Now what is saying here, in a particular VM disk, not only VM disk, in a hard disk as well, we can make 7 logical partition. Total would be 0 to 9 is nothing but 10 partition, but out of 10 we can use 7. 2, 8, 9 we cannot use. 2 is for backup, 8 is for boot, and 9 is for FM3. Okay, so what is doing 2? I mean whatever thing we are going to perform from 0 to 9, okay, all those backup information is storing in the 2 partition. That is what 2 partition, 2 logical partition we cannot use. And now boot, in 8 number of partition boot information is storing. So in that we cannot use, I mean that logical partition we cannot use for other things. 9 is nothing but for FM3. So we cannot use that as well because FM3 is a concept. Okay, if I'll let you know later. So that is belongs to here. FM3 is nothing but what is showing all partitions, table information is storing in that. So for that we cannot use, this is what. And briefly I'll mention you in later session. Okay, so now one logical partition already been created by me. Okay, and I given 0, I used 0 to 130 cylinder space, I given 0 and I given 1 GB. So according to that, it's automatically calculated for 1 GB how much cylinder space is required. So it's required 130 cylinder space. So it took 0 to 130. Now if I want to make one more logical partition, then it will then I need to give manually since 131. Okay, because of 131 it's free, right? So I need to give here 131. And if I'll give again 1 GB, 2 GB or 5 GB, whatever it, according to that system will calculate, and it will take how much space it will take from the cylinder. It will come till to that. So my total space is this space is 80 GB. So as for 80 GB cylinder space is coming that much, 10,439 cylinder space is coming. Okay, so what I was trying to say, okay, how to make logical partition and then how to use it, right? So now I want to, my 0 logical partition already been created, so now I can create 1. So I have to give here 1 and then hit enter key. Then here it's asking enter partition ID tag on ascend, not required, hit enter key. Here it's asking enter partition permission, not required, hit enter key. Now here it's asking enter new starting cylinder. Okay, new starting, our cylinder is till 130, so I can give 131, then hit enter key. Now it's asking how much GB you want. I want to create 2 GB, so give 2 GB, hit enter. Now this 2 GB partition has been created. How I will come to know whether it has been created or not? You need to get it print, so give free. So now it's created. Since 131 to it's to 392 according to 2 GB space, and I want to make it label, then only I can use it. So give L, hit enter key, then Y. Now labeling done. Okay, once labeling done, we can use that. Just a Q and Q come out, make it clear. Echo format. So this is C1 T1 D0. C is nothing but controller, T is nothing but terminal, D is nothing but disk, and what I given those 0. S0 is nothing but S0, and S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8, S9, and bus S9. Okay, whatever I mean partition will be like that. So what is this C1 T1 D0? Already and slice already I said in my last session. You can go ahead, like as a map only I shown there. You can go ahead for your better understanding if you don't know. Okay, so now I want to format that slice, which size I has been created, which logical partition I have been created. I want to format it, right? So once we format, then only we can use that, or we can enter in that data in that logical file system. Okay, then only we can use that, whatever it. So now we need to execute new fs /dev /rdsk. rdsk is nothing but the raw disk, and you need to give that partition number C1 T1 D0 S0. Sorry, S1 we created, right? Then hit enter key. Now it's asking new fs. Construct a new file system. What is asking? Construct. Construct means new building. Okay, which one? This particular file system name, and obviously we want to construct it, right? So give Y and then hit enter key. Now it will take some more time to construct. Now done. Okay, once done, now I want to create a directory called db1. Okay, db1, hit enter key, then ls. We will come to know whether db has been created or not. db has been created, right? db has been created here. db is nothing but directory database. So now I want to mount it. What I will do? Mount /dev /dsk, then C1 T1 D0 S1. Where I want to mount? In db1. db1 is my mount point. Hit enter key. Now it's mounted or not. How I will come to know? d-h. Now see, last one is db1. Okay, it's mounted. Let me clear the screen. And once it's mounted, I need to enter in that cd, then db1, hit enter key, ls. What is showing? Nothing is there, only lost pros found. I mean that mount one is showing there, nothing is showing, right? So where we are now, if we will execute pwd, it will show present working directory, you are into db1, right? So now here I want to create some empty file, dots a or file1, file2, file3, file4. I want to create this many files, or there are also one more way to create multiple files at a time. File bracket 1 dot 10. Let us see, 1 to 10 file will created, right? So now I want to mount this at permanent basis. So there will be the configuration file called vi/etc vfs tab. Don't get confused in Linux and all. It will be fs tab. In Solaris it is vfs tab. Hit enter key, then escape, shift G, come to last line, then escape O, create new line, escape I, then keep /dev/dsk/c1 t1 d0 s1 tab /dev/raw disk rdsk c1 t1 d0 s1 tab. Then our mount point going to give db1 was our mount point. Then it will be Unix file system. Then here mount point fsek pass. I want to check fsek only once. Okay, then what is saying mount at boot. Okay, I want to yes, when system will boot it will mount automatic. Then mount option, yes, I want to mount. So this is what the parameter you need to write in the fs tab, then save it. Okay, then hit enter key. So this is what, then make it clear. So this is what all about how to create logical partition in a particular VM disk and how to use it. Okay, so thanks to everyone. Please subscribe my channel, share and like. But still, whenever you are not understanding by following my channel, by watching my channel, you can open my profile. There I mention my mobile number. You can directly call me. There will be no hesitation. Don't feel any hesitate. You can call me and you can disturb me at any time for your troubleshooting. Thanks everyone once again.